JCS Industries presents How It Works. Hello, I'm Brian Whitmore, and today we're going to talk about the JCS 4300 Dry Chemical Feeder. Safe, accurate, and reliable. Dispenses most dry and granular chemicals for water and waste treatment. First, the major components. The cage, which houses all the mechanical components. The control panel, where all parameters are set and controls are housed. The mixer motor, which takes variable signals from the control panel to turn the feed screw. The feed screw, which turns at a set rate to dispense a metered amount of chemical into the mouth of the adductor. The adductor, which utilizes plant water to create a venturi to convey the chemicals it stores. The hopper, which can store 3 cubic feet of chemical. And the booster pump, which maintains adequate differential pressure across the adductor. Here, water flows through the adductor, creating a venturi. The auger rotates and dispenses chemical into the mouth of the adductor. As the chemical is dispensed, a small stream of water is added to prevent caking. This slurried material is transported to the point of application. Several features of the 4300 are designed to ensure safe, reliable, and trouble-free operation. A remote start-stop function controlled by interlocking pressure switches both up and downstream of the adductor ensure fluid movement prior to commencement of chemical feed. Automatic ball valves isolate dry chemical from wet side operations. The 4300 is also capable of operating in local fixed, remote fixed, and remote variable modes. There are several auger configurations to allow for multiple feed rates and assist with chemicals that are non-free flowing. And that's how it works. For more information on the 4300 or any of the other JCS products, please visit our website at jcsindustries.us.com. Thank you.